तूने तेरे फ़ोन पे भी ऑन किया क्या? Hello everyone. Start putting your comments. Hi Sandhya. Hi Neha Di. I can't see anybody's comment. युक्ता, तेरे फ़ोन में लाइव आ रही है ना? चेक कर एक मिनट. Hi Dipti. Okay. Yeah, I can see all the comments now. Hi Preeti. Hi Sneha. Good morning Prastuti. Hi Soumya. For you I have changed the background. I have changed my painting. ब्लर है वीडियो. हाय माधुर्या. बहुत ज़्यादा. It's blur. Hi Pihu. Hi Sandhya. Thank you Ashwini. Oh, is it blur? Oh. Thank you so much Madhurya. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. I'm so happy that you all are live on time. Am I audible and visible properly? Thank you so much, Prerna. Okay, so for today our article is this beautiful bottle with glass color. Monday was this article and everybody has done it so well, I can't tell you. I'm so happy to see everybody's submissions. I'm really happy and I really feel proud that you all have given me such a beautiful submissions. Few of you have not done the embossing. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but all the others have done such a beautiful with so many different innovations also. So it was really beautiful. Yeah, you can do it on glass jar also, Bhakti. You can do it on glass jar also. You can do it on honey bottle also. Any flat surface is actually better. Round, somebody have asked me, we don't have this flat bottle, then what to do? The problem is ki what glass color is actually in the form of it's a liquid thing. So if it is on bottle, it will drip to one side. So it is always recommended to have a flat surface to get that effect. If you don't have, then try finding bottles at your home. You can use it on honey jar also. Any glass on which is flattened surface. Yeah, this background is for everybody who just love Madhubani. Okay, let me start now. It's 2:08. Okay. So let me start with my introduction first. A lot of you are attending my session from quite a long time, but those who are new to the group, I welcome you all. So yeah friends, I am Megha Gendodia. I am Fevicryl certified professional from last 11 years. I am working with Fevicryl hobby ideas from last 11 years. I am a professional folk artist and a crafter. I started my profession with folk art only. I started with Madhubani, that is of Bihar, and then I started with Varli, that is of Maharashtra. So I started with my career with folk art only. Gradually I got joined with Pedalite company, and for them I'm working like a freelancer from last 11 years now. So this is my small introduction. Yeah, and before I start, I would like to thank Pedalite company for giving the opportunity to all the teachers out here, because Pedalite is the only Indian brand who have so much of hobby materials. Okay, I'm reading the message in background also, so I got stuck. So I would like to thank Pedalite company also, because the entire Pedalite team has worked a lot in this pandemic, and they are doing a great job for all the where in this pandemic, I keep on telling the where in this pandemic people have lost their job. Pedalite is the only company who has given job opportunity to a lot of artists as a freelancer. Lot of student of mine has also got connected with Pedalite. They started having income from Pedalite. They started working as a certified teacher from Pedalite. So this Fevicryl Pedalite company is working a lot, working each and every day for the artist empowerment. So I would really like to thank the Pedalite company for giving us the opportunity to come on live and take classes for you all. So for that you just have to support us by buying the product of Pedalite, Fevicryl products, and no other companies, because again I'll say Pedalite Fevicryl Hobby Idea is the only Indian brand who is manufacturing such a great product for all the artists out here. So our today article is this beautiful bottle. I'm going to tell you how to do this bottle now. For that, this is the empty bottle. Whatever label is there, stickers are there, you just need to remove everything and make a flat clean surface here. That is the first thing. Fevicryl company have this beautiful glass color. It comes in the packing of 6 colors and 10 colors. So whatever is available, you can take that. So in that you have this Fevicryl glass color liner, which I'm using right now. Monday I showed you this, on which I use the liner separately. It was not from the kit, but today I'm going to show you how to use this liner from the kit. So it has a nozzle. That day also I told you that whenever you are cleaning the nozzle, just don't clean it from the top. You open this, clean it, and then start using it. So let me just start with my work. Is my table properly visible to all of you? See, you can make any pattern of your choice. How to remove bottle sticker? You have to dip your water overnight. Then just with the scrub you can take out those stickers. You can actually scrub it from your metal scrubber also, जिससे आप बर्तन धोते हो. I'm doing a geometrical pattern here. If you want, you can make your floral pattern or any other pattern also. Abstract pattern, whatever you feel like. You can do anything of your choice. Okay, I'm making a brick design here. So जब आप ये बना रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान रखना है, जब आप लाइनर वर्क करते हो तो इट शुड नॉट बी वेरी लाइटेड, बिकॉज अगर आप बहुत ही पतला रखोगे तो कलर्स विल ड्रिप ऑफ, क्योंकि ग्लास कलर आपका लिक्विड फॉर्म में है. तो द रीजन बिहाइंड वी यूजिंग दीज लाइनर is to create background for the colors to stay at one place. So I have seen a lot of people just moving it like this, so you don't have to do like that. आपको आराम से धीरे धीरे रुकना है and then just make the background. आप जब आउटलाइन कर रहे हो तो वो आउटलाइन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपका कलर ड्रिप ऑफ नहीं हो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. See, in the class I'm just trying to tell you all the tips and tricks. So design could be yours. It is not compulsory to have the same design. You can follow the same design also. If not, you can have your own set of designs also. And go very slowly. Whatever liner work you are doing, it should be even at all the places. And the thing is, it should be close. And keep on wiping your nozzle. My liner gives globs of black. How to avoid that? Go very slowly. Clean your nozzle. I think that will help you out, Bhakti. My video is not clear. Girls, please reply. Is it still blur? Video is blur क्या? Girls, please tell me. No, okay. Because I can see that I have a good network here. So now I'll be doing this portion also with the outliner, so that मेरा color जो है वो drip नहीं हो जब when I'll just do the glass color on it. I would like to thank each one of you to come live. इतना सारा पेशेंस रखना, हमारे साथ वीडियो देखना एंड सीखना. So really I should appreciate this also for you. See girls, I have full network here, so it's better also. So once it is done, you have to let it dry completely and then only work at the other portions. Once this area is completely dried, then only start working. If you want, you can work on the neck of the bottle also. Again, it is not compulsory. To have the same design. I am following brick geometrical design. You can have different designs also. So I'll just keep it aside. This is the another bottle on which I have already done the liner work. One side I have done the glass color also. This is the side I have done my liner work. So it has very beautiful 10 shades. If you don't have 10 shades, don't worry. You can always have 6 shades ka thing. So for glass colors, I would like to give some tips and tricks when you're using this Fevicryl color. Never shake your bottle, because if you shake your bottle, there will be a lot of air bubble in this. First, you have to always remember that the bottle should not have air bubble. Secondly, don't pour the color. You just have to move the bottle as you move your crayons. The same way you have to just move the bottle. Third is, when you see, you can see a lot of air bubble here. If there is any air bubble, don't worry, don't panic. But yeah, don't leave it also there, because it will spoil your painting. Color the thing. See, you are getting a lot of air bubble here. So what you have to do is just take a pin and take all your bubbles at one corner. अगर आपके ग्लास कलर्स में बहुत सारा बबल आ रहा है, फर्स्ट डोंट शेक योर बॉटल. आपको बॉटल नहीं हिलाना है. उसके बाद अगर आप कलर कर रहे हो तो जैसे आप क्रेयॉन्स मूव करते हो, बस वैसे ही आपको आपका ग्लास कलर का बॉटल मूव करना है. स्टिल इफ यू आर गेटिंग बबल्स, नो वरीज, जस्ट टेक अ पिन एंड ट्राई गेटिंग ऑल द बबल्स. सारे बबल्स को आपको लाइंस के किनारे, बॉर्डर्स पे लेकर आना है, so that there should not be any air bubbles. With whom you have drawn the bottle? With this liner which is already in the kit, Komal, glass color का liner है. I did with that only. Hi Aarti, always late for See, my class is only for 40 minutes, 1 hour. So I just want everybody कि आप टाइम पर आओ. अगर आप टाइम पर आओगे तो आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. आप मिड ऑफ द सेशन क्लास अटेंड करते हो एंड देन यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज. सो प्लीज़ 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 आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, टाइम पर आइए फॉर द क्लास. देयर इज अ डिज़ाइन ऑन द बॉटल, सो इट्स कमिंग. Again, the air bubble, I'm going to remove all the air bubble with the pen. And every time when you start, clean your nozzle before you start. Again, I would like to do the announcement for the people who are new to the group. If you give 5 submissions if you attend my class and give 5 submissions, you are eligible for one of the paid class for free. You don't have to pay anything for the paid class, but the condition is you have to attend at least 5 sessions. You have to give at least 5 submissions. And I'm trying to create everything which is not very expensive and which looks really beautiful. I'm trying to do everything with Fevicryl products, and I'm trying to introduce you every single thing of every single product of Fevicryl. Again, when you do with the glass, when you start with the glass color, if the nozzle is not clean, sometimes you get the nozzle is like not clean. So what you have to do is open the bottle, open this nozzle, clean it from inside. Never clean your bottles from outside. Always remember this point. So till now, anybody have any doubt, you can ask me. We are taking very small simple articles because there are so many people who are beginners and there are so many beautiful kids out here. So everybody should be able to do the coloring, crafting, painting. So I'm taking simple articles also. If you have any query, you can ask me. एंड थैंक यू सो मच जिन लोगों ने अभी तक इतना अच्छा सबमिशंस दिया है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप लोग हमारे काम को अप्रिशिएट करते हो और सपोर्ट करते हो. एज अ हॉबी आइडियाज टीचर हमारे लिए बस इतना ही काफ़ी है कि आप पेडलाइट का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करो, फेविक्रिल का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करो और हमें सबमिशंस टाइम पे दो. बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग आउट टाइम एंड कंडक्टिंग फ्री क्लासेस फॉर यू ऑल. एंड या द कंपनी इज पेइंग अस बिकॉज दीज आर द free classes. We are doing promotions for Fevicryl, so definitely they are paying us. But then until and unless you don't give us the submissions, वो पूरा waste हो जाता है. Where are your submissions? I'm looking for your submissions, Pehel. So in this way you just have to complete your bottle. I'll just do it quickly. Again I'll repeat, never shake your glass colors, because if you shake your bottles it will have a lot of air bubble. So always remember that you don't have to shake your bottle. If you see a lot of air bubbles in the bottle, just keep it at one corner for at least 2 to 3 hours, so that the bubbles will settle down and then your colors will not have any bubble when you will be coloring it. Second thing, keep on cleaning your nozzle when you are working with glass color, and never press your bottle. आप जैसे क्रेयॉन्स के साथ कलर करते हो बस आपको वैसे ही कलर करना है. So by the time I'm finishing this, you can give me the suggestion, what do you want to learn for your paid class. I might consider it. So who knows, you can just tell me. Yeah, and I want the answer from the people who have already given the submissions. This is my 4th live session. So tell me, what do you want to learn? For details, what you can do is, you can just visit to my page, that is Krishna Creations Art Studio and Activity Center. The description is already given in this group. So if you want to check something from there, you can just check it and let me know that what do you want to learn. But yeah, for that you have to give me at least 5 submissions, that too on time. Late submissions won't be considered. And even for the certificates, late submissions won't be considered. A very simple and easy bottle. So I'll let it dry. Once it is dried, what I'm going to do is, I'll be sticking thread here to cover this portion. For those who have come late, what I did is, I took this Fevicryl glass color liner, which looks something like this, and then I just did the outline here. I did the outline here, and then once it is dried completely, you can just do it on all other sides also. And then once it is completely dried, all the sides, then what you can do is simply fill the color, and then this is, you can take any jute thread or any colored thread you have, and you need to wind it on the top of the bottle, on the neck top of the bottle. So for that, I'll be taking my Fevicol A+, which is very good for sticking. So for that, this is still wet, so I'm just going to lie it down. Simply going to roll it here. If anybody have any query, please ask me. Very simple article, very beautiful article. No need to buy anything from outside this Diwali. You can just create your own piece of art and put it for your home decor. See the way I did it here, and then this is the light which I have ordered from Amazon. This is the light which you can just open it and put it in your bottle. It has this cork thing shape so that it get easily inserted in the bottle. One more thing, until and unless it is completely dried, just don't lift it. Otherwise what will happen, this is a liquid color, the color will drip on one another. So never lift your bottle when you are doing your glass color until and unless it is completely dried. So let it dry completely, then only lift your bottle. ये पर्दा लगा. See, I just tried. It's giving you such a beautiful effect. I have just closed down all my lights. I'll just show you how beautiful it looks. See, it looks so beautiful when there's no light in the room and just the bottle with the light. Okay. These lights are easily available on Amazon and Flipkart also. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. On Saturday we have this beautiful diary in which I am going to tell you how to do stenciling, different products of Fevicryl, and then how can you make all these elements, and yeah, I'm going to tell you how to do gliding in this, that is gold gliding and silver gliding, which we are doing it from different wax. So no need to buy those expensive wax, you can just do it with Fevicryl products. See, as a crafter, I am using a lot of products of different brands from all over the world, especially the US brands. But yeah, you can achieve everything from Pidilite products also, because those products are really expensive, because definitely those are created by crafters and they are little expensive. But the same thing you can achieve with Fevicryl products. They are really cheap and gives you a beautiful effect. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Hope this Diwali you will not get anything from outside and you will create one of your art piece. Pehel, I'll consider your paper quilling Ganesha if you give 5 submissions. I'll think about it. I'll not promise, but I'll definitely think about it. I hope this article is clear by I could actually explain it well to everyone. Still, if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Yeah, I'm trying to flaunt all my Madhubani paintings. इधर से लाइट ऑन करते हैं. On this bottle again there was something, यहाँ पर कुछ nozzle जैसा बंद था, but then मैंने इसको कट कर दिया with the wire cutter. I just removed it and then inserted this cork in light cork in this. Anybody have any doubt, you can ask me. And see girls, it's for not for the people who are actually attending my class on time and giving submissions on time, but for those live session में I can see more than 50 people, but when it comes for the submission I get 25-30 submissions only. So please I request you all to take out some time. See, हम लोग भी आपके लिए time निकाल रहे हैं, live session ले रहे हैं, even we are taking so much of effort. So we just request you all, just take out a little bit of time, and I completed it in like 15-20 minutes. You will take it maximum 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So you can actually complete everything बहुत आराम से और बहुत जल्दी. इतना टाइम तो आप आपके क्राफ्टिंग हॉबीज़ के लिए निकाल ही सकते हो. Okay, let me just answer one thing. एक second. Amulya, okay, submission is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Saturday is the last day for the submission of this glass bottle. Okay, Saturday is the last day for the submissions. शुभांगी, अगर आप ग्रीन बॉटल लेते हो, अगर आप चाहो तो कोई भी कलर का बॉटल ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक एनी कलर, बट इफ यू टेक अ प्लेन ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉटल, देन वट एवर कलर यू आर applying on it, so it will come more proper. अगर आप ग्रीन के ऊपर फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर बॉटल इज ऑफ येलो कलर, अगर आप उसके ऊपर ग्रीन कलर करोगे तो वो एनीवेज आपको ब्लू कलर का रिफ्लेक्शन देगा, या ग्रीन, व्हाट डिड आई से, सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी. अगर आपका बॉटल येलो कलर का है, अगर आप उसके ऊपर ब्लू कलर करोगे तो इट विल शो यू ग्रीन कलर. सो यू नॉट गेट द एक्चुअल शेड ऑफ द कलर इफ यू आर यूजिंग द colored bottle. No, these paintings are on fabric. राय सिंघानी चंचल, आप प्रेजेंट थे फॉर माई लास्ट वर्कशॉप? First answer me that. Yeah, Chitra, just give me 1 minute. The bottle is not yet dried. I'll just show you. Wait. Both side of the bottle you have to paint. Yeah, अगर आप both sides क्या 4 sides करेंगे तो वो और ज़्यादा अच्छा इफेक्ट आएगा. If you just do the 3D outliner one side, do one side, let it dry completely, second side, then third and fourth, let it dry completely, and then just start doing the colors. When you are doing the colors again, one side, let it dry completely, then only go with the second side, third side and fourth side, but give a proper timing to dry. You can do it on glass plate also, but you will not get that lighting effect. You can see, these are the tips and techniques I am trying to tell you. आप किसी चीज़ के ऊपर भी कर सकते हो. I think even you can try it using your plastic bottles. So आप उस पर भी कर सकते हो. Okay, for this workshop, चंचल, what we did is, हम लोगों ने पहले ये शीट OHP शीट कट किया था, देन वी डिड द लाइनर वर्क एंड देन ग्लास कलर फिल करके. जब मैंने ग्लास कलर फिल करा था तो ये जो फ्लावर है, इस जिधर आपने लाइनर वर्क किया, वेर यू हैव डन योर लाइनर वर्क, दैट यू हैव टू कीप इट अप. द लोअर पोर्शन you have to put it on flame and then emboss it. So when you emboss it, putting it on flame, put it on the flame, keep it for a second and then just emboss it, then you'll get this 3D effect. बहुत लोगों ने बहुत इनोवेटिव वे से सिर्फ रिंग नहीं, बहुत कुछ अलग अलग भी बनाया. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी टू सी दैट. सी, वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू द टेक्निक्स. आप उसको कहीं और भी यूज कर सकते हो. इट इज ऑल अप टू यू. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस ऑन द वाइन बॉटल. आप शैम्पू बॉटल के ऊपर भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हो. I have explained you. Until and unless you will not be present for the video, मैं आपको orally explain भी करूँगी तो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. Because that was the only trick to learn in my video. How to emboss that. Because coloring and flowers cutting तो बहुत simple था. That was ट्रिक दैट वाज देयर. आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन. आपको उसको मैंने टी लाइट कैंडल के ऊपर ये फ्लावर को फॉर अ सेकेंड रखा एंड देन जस्ट एम्बॉस्ड इट विद माई एम्बॉसिंग टूल. सो इफ आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम ओरली आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, बिकॉज फॉर दैट यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट फॉर माई ऑनलाइन सेशंस. Though I kept my video for half an hour or so, more than half an hour actually. Okay, I'll do one thing. Whenever I'll take my glass color session for next time, मैं आपको वो करके भी दिखाऊंगी. Because right now I have no material here. I'm working from home right now. From next week I'll be doing it from I'll be starting it on my studio. So I'll just explain you later. Saturday again, we have this beautiful diary. List of material is already mentioned in the post. And again, there will be a lot of techniques which you will be learning in this. So please, I just request you all to be present on time. So the final bottle is here. No, Dipti, if you don't have flat bottle, you can take your round bottle and do any other design. So round bottle में again I'm telling you, the problem will be the colors will drift from here and there because it won't have a flat surface. और ये colors wet हैं. These are not acrylic colors कि आपने लगा दिया और हो गया. These are all wet colors. It is in the form of liquid, so it will go here and there. नो प्रॉब्लम. पल्लव पूजा, आप इसके आगे जो भी मेरे वर्कशॉप्स हैं आप वो अटेंड करिए. आई विल बी टेकिंग I can't promise for the coming Monday, but yeah, definitely I have my workshops on Monday and Saturday. Apart from that, if I'm taking something in the mid of the week, I'll just let you know. You just need to follow this page, and you need to be there on my WhatsApp group for all the updates. Anything else? And thank you so much for keeping so much of patience with me, seeing my video live. Thank you so much. Yeah, Soumya, you can do that. But still, at one point, it'll the color will get collected when you are doing on round bottle. Okay. If you have any query, you can just ask me. Thank you so much. See, the colors get started collecting like this if I keep the bottle straight, if it is not dried. Can you see here? The color is not yet dried, so it will start collecting here. Last day for the submission is Saturday. We are trying to create everything from the waste, something very nice and beautiful articles from the waste. So please keep attending my session, and it cost me around 150 rupees for the light, 100 to 150 rupees. On Amazon, I think on Flipkart also there are some sale going on. Thank you so much, Madhurya. You are my favorite bacha. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for keeping so much of patience, sparing your time, coming online with us. Thank you so much. Submission date is Saturday, and today itself. I am really eager to see all your creativity. लास्ट वर्कशॉप से भी मैंने आप लोगों की जो क्रिएटिविटी दिखी है, मैं आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद दैट. आई कांट टेल यू. Everybody had a different ideas, different innovation. You just learn the flower, and everybody tried creating something different. Chalo, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll be coming live again on Saturday. Please be there. Thank you so much for your support.